Wow. Check this out. Crazy. So all I'm doing is so all I've done is over here I've stuck in this thing, and indeed this was blocked. So all this water, so this thing was holding all this water. Oh wow, amazing. So it seems like this should fix the problem. Oh wow, oh, this is transparent. See, I did not notice that before. And actually, probably it was so blocked so that I did not even notice that it was supposed to be transparent. And definitely this is for a good reason, because you can see if it was blocked. And that was definitely the case. And I'm really glad I found that. So there you go. This is the solution. If your furnace is leaking like from top sections, like see, this is water, and it was leaking from here as well, so you can probably see some water there, and anywhere else. And you can see my furnace is kind of like wet throughout, so, around, and that is also probably a sign that it's not just a pump, but basically this drainage was blocked, and that was the reason, and it was the whole furnace was just leaking from around. So I'm really happy I found this, and I'm really happy I was able to catch this on video as well.